Alright, today we are going to look at properties of real numbers. Then after this, we will do binary operation, just a glance through. So when we talk of properties of real numbers, we are considering three properties. We have the first one, we call it commutative. Commutative. So the name of that property is called commutativity. So when you say operation, let's take this operation A and B. So these are just variables. So if we say an operation is commutative, let's use operation star. Then A star B should be equal to what? B star A. Then we say they are commutative. So it means the answer that you get for A and B should be the same as when you reverse it, B and A. So let's see. Let's take this question. We should determine whether the operation star is commutative for 2 and what? 3. So here you want to test for commutativity or whether they are commutative. So first, 2 star what? 3. So assuming we have a function, let's take this as our function. Our A star B equals A plus B plus AB. So this is the main function. So you have to determine whether it's commutative for this over this function. So here is A star B. So here A is what? 2 plus B is what? 3 plus A is what? 2 times what? B is what? 3. So you can see that 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 2 times 3 is 6. So 5 plus 6 is what? 11. So we had 2 star 3 to what? 11. Then let's reverse it to see whether they are commutative. If you want to reverse, you try 3 operation what? 2. So 3 operation 2. That is the same formula. You are not going to do anything. So here, let me show you a trick. For this, we know that our A was 2, here, A star B, and our B was what? 3. So A star B, that's 2 star 3. But this time we are going to do for what? 3 star what? 2. So in this case, if you compare with this function, we can see that our A is what? 3 now, and what? A star B. You see, A star B. So here, our B is rather what? 2. Compare with this. A star B, 3 star 2. So we just change it. So here, this is also going to be, we have A plus B plus AB. We've not changed the function. So 3 plus 2 plus what? 3 multiplying what? 2. So 3 plus 2 is also 5 plus 3 times 2 is 6. So we are going to get 11, right? So here we are getting 3 star 2 also to what? 11. So once our answer for, let's say this is equation 1, 2 star 3 is 11, and the answer for this, let's say 3 star 2 is also what? 11. We can say that once they are equal, the answer for 2 star 3 is 11, the answer for 3 star 2 is also 11. We can say they are what? Commutative. Because we are saying for commutativity, A star B should be equal to what? B star what? A. Hope this is helpful. Let's try another example. I'm just exploring all the other operands. So here, let's say A. Let's suppose that B equal 4. No. A plus B plus 2AB. This is the function. A plus B plus what? 2AB. We are going to see whether this also, so the question is determine whether the operation star is commutative or not. So if you want to show whether this is commutative or it is not commutative, as I told you, first for commutativity you have to first understand that for commutativity, if something must be commutative, is A operation B. So let this A operation B should be equal to B operation what? A. Then it means they are what? Commutative. A operation B and B operation A are same. So if they don't give you anything, you have to just take any what number that you want. So let's take any arbitrary number 3 and what 4. So we will compare 3 operation 4 to what? To 4 operation what? 3. They are just doing the same thing here. A operation B 3 operation 4. Then what? B, that's 4 operation what? 3. So let's see. It's what? A plus B plus what? A. So we know that our A for this side is what? A for this side is 3 and our B for that side is 4. So A plus B is 3 plus 4 plus then 2 is multiplying what? 2 is multiplying what? A, which is 3 times, we can put just a single dot here. In mathematics, dot represents multiplication times what? 4. So A plus B plus 2AB, the same thing. So this is 7 plus 3 times 2, 3 times 4, this is what? 12. So 7 plus, this is 24. 2, 12, 24. So our 7 plus 24 is going to give us what? 7 plus 24 is going to give us 30 what? 1. 31. So our A 3 dots, that's 3 operation 4 is what? 31. Let's check 4 operation 3. So our A is 4, our B is 3. So A plus B, which is 4 plus 3 plus 2 into brackets, then A times B. So the A is 4 times the B is what? 3. So we do like this. So 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 into brackets, 4 times 3 is 12. So 2 plus this is what? 24, this is 7. So 7 plus 24 is also going to give us 31. So once 4 operation 3 is 31 and 3 operation 4 is also 31, then we say hence this operation is what? Commutative. I hope it's clear. Commutative because A star B equals what? B star A. They get it? So it is commutative because A operation B equals B operation A. Now, let's try another example. Let's try another example on commutativity. One last example, then I'll give you more to try. I'll give you more to try. Okay, this time around, let's change the function. Let's change the function. So this is the question. This is our example 3. So the question is given that is the, no, let me change this. This looks like a triangle. So A operation B equal A plus B. Let me change it. 2A plus B minus AB. 2A plus B minus AB. So here we are changing the function. So this is the function. So the question is determine if this sign is commutative or not. So yeah, just to show whether this star is commutative. So let's take our base case 2 and 3. 2 and 3. You will just take anything. You can take 1 and 2, 2 and 3, anything. So let's take 2 and 3. So for commutativity, let's try 2 operation what? 3. So 2 operation 3 is going to be, so we know that our A is what? Our A is what? 2 and our B is 3. So our 2 operation 3 are going to get what? 2 is going to multiply A and our A is what? 2. So 2A plus our B is what? B is 3 minus AB. So our A is what? 2 and our B is what? 3. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 minus 2 times 3 is 6. So 4 plus 3 is what? 7 minus 6. So we are going to get 1. So 2 triangle 3 equals what? 1. Now let's check the value for 3 my triangle operation 2 and see if they are commutative. So here our A is now 3 and our B is what? 2. We are just changing the sign, so everything will change. So the formula is still the same. 2A, so 2A, the A is what? 3 plus B is 2 minus AB. Our A is what? 3 and our B is what? 2. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 minus what? 6. So 6 plus 2 is 8 minus 6. So this is going to give us what? 2. So you can see 3 operation 2 is, here we are getting 2 and here is 1. So we can say that this operation is not what? Commutative. So this is not commutative because, look at something, it's because of the function. The function is changing to A plus. So we see the function. So first, I told you for commutativity, we just have to take anything 2 and 3. So 2 operation 3 must be equal to 3 operation 2. Then you check the answer that you get. So if the first answer 2 operation 3 is the same as 3 operation 2, then we can conclude that they are what? They are commutative. So right now we know what is commutative or commutativity property, and this is the first property. So in our next video we are going to talk about the other property, that is distributive property. So until we meet again, let's call it a day.